too much fun. Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel, and a big hello and welcome to you if you're new. Today I thought I'd do a quick speed clean, a power hour in the kitchen. Dolphy is currently asleep, so I've got about an hour before he wakes up, and I've got a few bits and pieces to do in the kitchen which I'll just talk you through quickly. So I thought I'd try and steam through it in the next hour and see how we get on. So what I could do with doing is, so I need to clean the high chair. There's a couple of squidged blueberries left on there from this morning. There's bits and pieces on the side that need putting away and stuff that needs putting in the dishwasher. These bits need putting away. That top could do with a clean, and also this door is a bit mucky, so I thought I might try and tackle that if I've got time. There's a few bits and pieces on here that need popping away. The sink needs a clean, and there's some bits and pieces on here that need putting away as well. And then the fridge needs a wipe down, and the floor could do with a hoover and a mop. So I've got quite a lot of bits and pieces to get through in the next hour, so let's see how we get on. If you like speed cleaning videos or cleaning videos in general, then please do give this video a big thumbs up, and if you wish to subscribe, then I'd absolutely love to welcome you into my little online community. But without further ado, because I haven't got a lot of time, let's get going. This is the current method cleaner that I'm using in the kitchen. This one's fabulous. It's the Sunny Citrus Anti-Bac. I'm using this on everything at the moment and I absolutely love it. It smells amazing.
Baby, this is what you came for. Lightning strikes every time she moves.
One hack that I love to use is to put these foam squares down under where your child eats, because it catches all the muck and you can just pop them in the dishwasher and it saves you scrubbing your floor like all the time.
Smoking, no cooking, the hot pot. Fucking on your bitch, yeah, that. Cooking up dope in the crock pot. We came from nothing to something, nigga. I don't trust nobody, grip the trigger. Call up the gang and they come and get gang. Cry me a river, give you a tissue. Bad and loose. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got thudders and 100 rounds too. My niggas is bad and loose. Cooking up dope with a Uzi. My niggas is savage, ruthless. We got thudders and 100 rounds too. So we'll be something haters.
One thing that I do like to do with my chopping board is make sure that if I treat it with an antibacterial, I actually leave it on there so that it soaks in. Because this is wood, I like to make sure that there's no bugs kind of sat down in it, and for this I do actually use my trusty old Dettol.
See it on your face when you say that he's the one that you want, and you're spending all your time in this wrong situation, and anytime you want it to stop. Now I'm singing like, girl, you know I want your.
Because this is a ceramic sink, I find actually there's nothing better than good old bleach to actually get any marks and stains out. I find like tea and stuff, when it's been down, I can stain it quite badly. So literally all I do is take the cap off and just dribble the tiniest amount down the edges, making it sure it gets into the corners. Just to make sure that is really nice and clean. And a big bottle of this is super cheap and lasts for ages. Just make sure when you're rinsing it off, you use your gloves.
You need to let it go, need to let it go. Down to the arm, to the line.
And every time I go out, yeah, hear it from this one, hear it from that one, let's get someone new.
If you know about me and choose to stay, then take this pleasure and take it with the pain.
Bowl tends to get a bit grubby from kind of tea and stuff like that, so what I do like to do is put a lot of water in it and then just literally the tiniest drip of bleach, and then I'll just leave that to sit for a little bit and that will get all the stains off.
And the more I drink, the more I think about you.
So here's a tip. Dishwasher tablet, oven door. Let's see if it works. I've never tried it, I've only seen it on the telly. Let's give it a go. Make sure you wear gloves for this and have some water to dip your tablet in. Let's try. It's meant to be a miracle worker. Oh, that worked well. Hey. I can officially affirm that that tip is a load of pants. Don't even bother. You see, I clean this all the time. There's literally no dirt on this. I just can't get these marks off. So it's perfectly clean. But tell me, how the hell do I get these baked on marks off? They're just impossible. Old toothbrushes are such a great cleaning tool to have around the house, and I like to use these to clean the knobs on my cooker. So I'm using the Cif Active Fizz. I'm just trying to get rid of the last bit of this, and I just spray a little bit onto the toothbrush and then just clean around my dials. Before I clean floors is take a multi-surface wipe and just any of the handles of the cupboards that are like high traffic cupboards, just give them a wipe around the handles and just make sure if there's any drips or splashes, just give them a quick wipe over. Are we in the clear yet? In the clear yet? covered with a lot of greasy fingerprints and like hands from where you're opening it when you're cooking and stuff. So I like to give it a wipe down with this Method multi-surface cleaner in pink grapefruit. Smells absolutely amazing. And then just give it a wipe down with my Minky. And then I just take my Dettol Fresh disinfectant spray. I like this because it kills like bugs in high like traffic areas. So I just give handles and stuff a spray with this.
You can run free, I won't hold it against you. You do your thing, never wanted a future.
With the bin, I just give it a quick wipe down with a multi-surface cloth and then a squib with this. It's not full, so I don't need to change it. So it's just a case of wipe the lid and make sure there's no bugs on it.
So people try, but they can't find the magic.
So I basically had to sell my whole Zoflora collection because we found that it irritated my husband's lungs. So I have to be very, very careful with it. I held back one single one, which is this one, which is Hello Spring. And I don't even use a capful of this. I use a whole bowl full of water to make sure it's really well diluted, and then I probably use a quarter of a capful. So literally that much in the bowl, just to try and disinfect my cloths. So lastly on the floor, I'm going to use this Method all floor cleaner, squirt and mop. So you basically just squirt this on the floor and mop. Really easy.
I shouldn't do, but you dance, dance, dance. And ain't no nothing leaving, so keep dancing.